Microwaving a black hole doesn't cook it. It cooks you, from the inside out. You think it's sci-fi, but they are black holes, the size of atoms, and scientists are trying to make them. A black hole isn't a hole. It's a cosmic meat grinder with zero chill. Compress a star so hard it collapses, boom. Not even light escapes. You drop something in? Gone. You drop yourself in. You'll be spaghetti.
I once ate a black hole, still digesting it. My thoughts caused gravitational lensing.
You're a villager. You eat bread.
Bread is just soft, white singularity.
Here's the nightmare fuel. If you made a black hole the size of a coin and microwaved it, you wouldn't just explode. The planet would fold in on itself. Your skeleton would orbit the memory of Earth.
I named my black hole Mommy.
Dude, stop naming comic death entities Mommy. And the worst part? There might be one forming under your feet.
It's